In this video, we are going to see how we can remove this gray X icons from the files on your desktop screen in Windows 11. So if you're not sure why on the desktop all the icons appear with a gray sign, here's what you need to do. So the first try that you can do is just right click and refresh, and the temporary glitch that is causing that issue might be removed and it should show perfectly fine. But if it doesn't help, press Ctrl Shift and then press Escape. What this will do is this will open up the task manager for you. Just open this, and in the names, in the processes, just search for the Windows Explorer. Here it is in the applications. Just right click on this and hit restart. And when you hit restart, everything should be reloaded and the problem should be solved. And finally, let's try method 3. If it still doesn't solve the problem, we just click on the start menu and right here control panel, and make sure the view is set to large icons instead of category. And from here we click on the sync center, and on the left hand side it says manage offline files. We want to click on that, and in the further window that appeared, you will click on disable offline files. I don't have this because I don't have the sync setup in the partnerships. So if you have that, you just click on disable offline files. And after making all of those changes, you might need to restart your computer once in order to make that effective. And that is how it works. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.